This corner lot home features a newer roof, 2021, and a fresh coat of paint on the exterior. Inside, the spacious living room creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. The open concept design seamlessly connects the rear screen porch, living area, and accommodating kitchen, providing a smooth flow throughout the home. The kitchen offers ample cabinet storage with a cozy dining area. Both bedrooms are generously sized, offering comfortable retreats, along with a transformable bonus room suitable for work, stay, or play. Outside, the well-maintained yard and corner lot provide potential for a pool, offering a private space for outdoor relaxation. Conveniently located, this property provides easy access to nearby amenities in Lakewood Ranch, including schools, shopping centers, restaurants, and recreational facilities.